be Myra, and today I'm going to show you guys the marshmallow slime. I got one more for $4.97. Kind of cheap. Let's see. It's already opened. Oh, it smells bad. Okay. Let's do it. So, here's this one. It's kind of watery actually. I thought it was like kind of like hard. Not pokey. When you poke it, look. When you poke it, there's like little dots. So. If you hear that sound like poke, let me touch it. So it's like marshmallow slime. Like I actually made marshmallow slime before. It felt puffy, so this is does not look like it should to me. So yeah. Let me see if it There the noise. That's just
Bộ này mới thôi đi về được con nằm ngồi đâu thì ra. Rồi chú cô qua làm hai con này nè. Mới mua đó. Trăm mười mấy đồng.
I'm gonna go back and so I'll put it. I'm washing it for him. So yeah, that's the video of marshmallow slime. You can get out one more. Bye.